Hey, good morning, guys. Today's video, I will share my meal prep for the food. So, this is my chicken, as you can see. Yeah, so I already put seasoning on it. If you can see that on top is a barbecue sauce. He likes to put on top with a barbecue sauce. So I season with salt and pepper. On top is a barbecue sauce. I use Sonny Barbecue. He likes it. It's a sweet barbecue sauce. I will grill it, and usually I grill it like 8 minutes both sides. Okay, and I will temp that at 160 degrees, and it's done. Let's start. While we're cooking at the grill my chicken, so I'm going to cook the bacon, which is this bacon is every morning's Cutting's breakfast. My bacon, I didn't fry it. I put in the oven. I set so I can start bake, and I put 400 degrees, and I start putting on. Okay, and I set the timer 20 minutes. Okay, that's how I cook my bacon. It's easy. And when it's 40, while it's preheating the oven, they started cooking my bacon. That's how I do it. And when the time is done for 20 minutes, I have to check, make it sure it's already cooked. Or if it's not cooked yet, I have to add more minutes on it. Once the preheating is done for 400 degrees, I have to cook my sweet potato. Sweet potato, this is the alternative of my rice. Okay, I use it for as a carbs. So that's why I use one each meal. Sweet potato is good. It's a lot of protein. So that's it. Okay guys, while I'm waiting for everything, my chicken in the grill, my bacon is in the oven, I have to steam the broccoli. This broccoli is for Cutting's lunches, and I have some asparagus for my lunch and dinner. I just steam everything. I didn't stir fry vegetable. Okay guys, we have start temp it. See, 170. Did you see that? So it's 1 So it's cooked. There you go. Okay, guys, I'm done of my chicken and my bacon. What is that? My sweet potato is still in the oven. I baked that one for an hour, so it's quite long. So I just want to show it to you how it looks like. Here, this is the chicken and the broccoli. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And this is the bacon. Here we go, guys. This is my bacon. That's breakfast. Look at how beautiful it is. And this is my asparagus. Yes. And this is Captain's lunches for the whole week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. This is the one that is chicken barbecue and his broccoli. Okay? That's the one. Aking meal prep for today. So, I hope you enjoy it. So, yan guys. Ayan lang ang aking share for today. I hope you learned something. Save money. Okay? That is very important. And this is a healthy one, you know. Why I do this sometimes? Because if you don't have something for your lunch or for your dinner that is really cooked, sometimes wala kang idea. You are very hungry and you just grab anything, you know. Meal prep is you have already there and it's healthy because we try to be healthy because that's the lifestyle supposed to be. Because health is wealth, right? I hope you remember that, guys. Health is wealth. Mahirap magkasakit, right? And life is short. You have to enjoy it. The way how you enjoy it, eat the right food. Eat healthy food. Right? See you to my next vlog, guys. Mabuhay kayong lahat.